Hey, welcome back to Everyday Dad. On our recent trip down to Southern California, I picked up this old Orchard heater. I just want to show you guys this thing. They do make awesome patio heaters, or to take them out camping with you. They just run on diesel, super simple, and usually make a great conversation piece. Had a couple buddies that had these out in the desert on our last trip when we went out camping, and I've been dying to get one. So enjoy the video. I'm going to show you guys how it works. You can even burn old motor oil in this thing. This is going to be a little different than my regular content, but I'm sure you'll enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I got my smudge pot. Got a smudge pot. Got a smudge pot. Hey, hey, hey.
You gotta hold it like this. Want help?
There she is.
Oh!
Got smudge pot and Easter egg dye.
Alright, ready? Good job. Good girl. You can still let's scoop the egg. Yeah, hold on, we gotta wait for your brother. It's me! Okay, Mom.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and run about a 50-50 mix of used motor oil and diesel. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and do that. And put the diesel in first so the heavier oil stirs it when we stirs it up when we pour it in. These hold 8 to 9 gallons. We're not going to run that much though, because we'll be running all night. How much did you put? Oh, I only put 4 gallons in that can. Alright, top her off with what?
Is that biodiesel or is that oil? How do you turn it on? You just flip that way?
In a minute.
I used to have those smudge pots.
Yeah?
When I lived in Gatlin.
Oh yeah?
What you guys burning on diesel?
Huh?
You burn diesel?
Or remember to pop the lid open. It won't burn without the lid open. Alright. So we're just going to go ahead and use a torch to ignite the diesel. Once you got a flame burning internally, let her go for a little while till it starts burning up out the stack. I think it's going, Jared. It's going up the stack. Yeah.
He's growing.
We used a torch, but some of the other guys, they put about a cup of gasoline on top. It'll float on top of the diesel and get it nice and hot right away. But we'll let it run pretty good. So we close the lid. Oh, you get the big old, oh baby. It's like a big torch. Oh, a little smoky. As it gets hotter, it'll clear up too.
We had those in Gatlin. But I used to put.
Dad, there's leaks out of the crack.
That's fine, Jay. Thing hasn't been used in a long time. There you go. When it's running, you can feel the heat from about 10 feet away, as long as there's not a breeze. Alright guys, there she is, burning at night. Putting out a nice glow, 10 feet away, getting a good amount of heat. But check this out. Right now it's only 2/3 throttle. You can open this flap all the way up the full throttle. That's 3/3, or get the third vent. That's full throttle there. Now we got a little flame coming outside, out to the top. Or we can close that flap a little bit. Then you see that tab there? We can kick this and go frickin' torch mode.
If the smudge pot doesn't warm you up, the
Yeah.
global warming sure will.
Now I'm 15, 20 feet away and can feel the heat. It's also maximum pollution mode because it burns pretty clean when the lid's closed. And after a couple hours, I think we put about maybe 3-4 gallons tops in there. About 5 p.m. It's 10:30 now and still going strong. Alright, after a 1,200 mile trip from Southern California to Idaho, we can now enjoy the smudge pot on our patio. Hunter, what are you up to? To Idaho?
She's showing me the coins.
Oh, the coins on her patio.
Yes. What do you think, Man Man?